Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on power drinks and foods that can help you beat fatty liver. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Power Drink 1. Green tea is a powerhouse for combating fatty liver, thanks to its rich antioxidant content, particularly catechins. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the liver, promoting overall health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea is linked to reduced liver fat and improved liver enzyme levels, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. Embracing green tea can be a simple yet effective step toward better liver health. Power Drink 2. Beetroot juice is a fantastic ally for liver detoxification, thanks to its high content of betalains and antioxidants. Enjoy a glass of beetroot juice daily to harness its powerful benefits and support your liver health effectively. Power Drink 3. Lemon water is a refreshing drink that promotes liver health. The citric acid in lemons aids digestion and helps stimulate the liver to produce bile, which is essential for detoxification. 4. Turmeric latte, often referred to as golden milk, is a delicious drink that offers remarkable benefits for liver support. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce liver inflammation and promote overall liver health. Heat the mixture gently, whisking until smooth, and enjoy this soothing drink to support your liver health. Power Drink 5. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile ingredient that significantly aids liver health. One of its key benefits is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. Research has indicated that apple cider vinegar may also reduce liver fat, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Enjoying apple cider vinegar regularly can be a simple yet effective way to support your liver health. Food 1. Leafy greens are essential in a fatty liver diet, playing a crucial role in detoxifying the liver. These nutrient-dense vegetables are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help eliminate toxins and reduce inflammation. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your diet can significantly enhance your liver health while adding vibrant flavors to your meals. Food 2. Fatty fish are a powerhouse for liver health, primarily due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are vital in reducing liver fat and inflammation, making them an excellent choice for those looking to improve their liver function. Regularly including fatty fish in your meals can significantly support your liver health while providing delicious options. Food 3. Nuts are a fantastic addition to a liver-friendly diet, packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. These nutrient-dense snacks are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support liver function. Incorporating nuts into your daily routine can significantly enhance your liver health. Food 4. Avocado is a nutrient-rich fruit that offers numerous benefits for liver function. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce inflammation and support overall liver health. Studies have shown that regular avocado consumption is linked to improved liver function and may even help lower liver fat levels.